Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So meron po tayong sasagutan na problem dito. This is para po dun sa mga nagre-review for the civil service exam. So let's have this problem. Lily is 4 years older than Benny. The sum of their ages 3 years from now is 58. How old is Benny this year? So this is age problem po. So, paano ba isosolve ang mga ganito klase ng problem? So, uunahin natin yung true equation. Tapos, second natin na solution ay yung trial and error. So, maglalagay tayo ng choices for the trial and error. Let's have choices. Letter A, 15. Letter B, 24. Para po to sa trial and error natin mamaya. Tapos, letter C, let's have 28. Letter D, 31. So, kung alam niyo po kung paano i-solve to, so please comment down your answer right now para po malaman niyo rin po kung tama yung inyong sagot. So, let's start with the equation solution. So, Lily is 4 years older than Benny. So, but first of all nga pala, unahin mo munang tingnan kung ano yung hinahanap. So, how old is Benny this year? And always take note sa mga word na ginagamit. So, this year, ibig sabihin yung current year na age ni Benny, yung hahanapin natin. So, hindi given. So, Lily is 4 years older than Benny. So, si Lily daw ay mas matanda ng 4 na taon kaysa kay Benny. So, paano mo malalaman yung age ni Lily kung hindi given si Benny? So, dahil hindi given yung age ni Benny, maglalagay tayo ng X for Benny's age this year. So, this is this year, which is yung hinahanap sa problem. So, this year yung kay Benny ay, let's have X for Benny dahil hindi given. Tapos, Lily is 4 years older. So, ibig sabihin, mas matanda ng 4 years si Lily kay Benny. So, yung age ni Benny ay X. Ibig sabihin, yung age ni Lily ay X plus 4. Dahil, mas matanda siya ng 4 na taon kaysa kay Benny. So, this is Lily's age this year. So, take note ha, this is their current age. So, the sum of their ages 3 years from now is 58. So, the sum of their ages. So, kapag ina-add natin yung dalawang age nila, 3 years from now. So, take note, 3 years from now. Hindi yung current. So, hindi ito. So, 3 years from now is 58. So, gagawan din po natin yan ng equation. So, dahil si Benny this year ay X. So, in 3 years from now, si Benny ay X plus 3. Madagdagan siya ng 3 years, di ba? Tapos, si Lily ay magiging X plus 4. Yung age ni Lily ngayon ay X plus 4 plus 3 after 3 years. So, the sum of their ages. So, i-add mo yan, itong dalawa, dahil 3 years from now, the sum of their ages is 58. So, i-add mo itong dalawa, dapat 58 yung total. So, ngayon, yung hinahanap, how old is Benny this year? So, dapat, yung answer lang ay yung value ng X, di ba? Dahil ito yung age ni Benny this year. So, ang problema, in this first equation, hindi natin pwedeng isolve. Hindi natin pwedeng kunin yung value ng X dahil kulang yung information. Kaya, dito tayo magsusolve sa 3 years from now dahil meron siyang given na 58 daw yung total ng kanilang age 3 years from now. So, pwede nating isolve yung value ng X dito. So, gagawin natin tong equation. So, mag-erase muna tayo para magkaroon tayo ng maraming space, more space sa ating so, take note of this ha. So, X yung age ni Benny this year. Tapos, ito. So, bali ito na yung magiging equation natin. So, X plus 3 plus X plus 4 plus 3. So, ayusin lang natin yung pagkakasulat. So, X plus 3 yung kay Benny. Tapos, i-add natin yung kay X plus 4 plus 3 yung kay Lily. 3 years from now. So, dapat daw po yung total ay 58. Okay po. So, ngayon, i-add natin lahat ng magkakapareha. So, yung x plus x, that is 2x. So, bakit hindi natin pwedeng i-add x plus 3? Dahil hindi po sila magkakapareha or they are called unlike terms. So, sa x ay variable, si 3 ay number lang. So, dapat i-add natin yung lahat ng numbers. So, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. So, we have 2x plus 10 equals 58. Tapos, 2x plus 10, hindi natin pwedeng i-add yan dahil hindi nga po sila magkakapareha. So, ang gawin mo, itira mo si 2x dito, tapos kopyahin mo ito si 58. Tapos, si 10, i-transfer mo katabi ni 58. Tapos, magiging, yung positive, magiging negative. So, that is the rule in equation. Kapag nag-transpose ka, magiging negative yung positive, at magiging positive yung negative. So, 2x equals, so ngayon, pwede mo na siyang 58 minus 10, pwede mo na siyang i-minus, that is 48. Tapos, i-divide mo by 2, para si x na lang yung matira. Tapos, pwede mo na itong i-cancel. So, therefore, x equals 48 divided by 2, that is 24. The correct answer is 24. Yung age ni Benny, current age of Benny is 24. The correct answer is letter B. So now, yung next po natin na solution ay by trial and error. So ano ba yung trial and error? So kung walang choices, so syempre sa civil service exam, palagi naman talagang merong choices, di ba? Dahil shading yung exam. So, yung trial and error, susubukan mo, hindi ka gagawa ng equation, pero itatry mo lahat ng choices. So, medyo matagal siya, lalo na kung yung correct answer ay nasa letter D. Pero kung may idea ka na letter D yung answer, so, unahin mong i-trial and error yung letter D. So, let's have letter A first for our first trial and error. So, ipagpalagay natin na 15 yung tamang sagot. So, dapat mag-coincide sa problem. So, dapat, ito simulan natin para mas maintindihan nyo po. So, let's have, ipagpalagay nga po natin na 15 yung tamang sagot. So, Lily is 4 years older than Benny. So, yung hinahanap, yung age ni Benny this year. So, ipagpalagay natin na yung age ni Benny this year ay 15. So, Lily is 4 years older than Benny. So, kung 15 si Benny, ibig sabihin, si Lily ay 15 plus 4 dahil mas matanda siya ng 4 na taon kay Benny. So, si Lily ay 19. So, kung si Benny ay 15, si Lily ay 19. So, 3 years from now, dapat yung total ng kanilang age ay 58. So, kung hindi 58, ibig sabihin, hindi tama yung 15. So, na-solve natin kanina na yung tamang sagot ay 24, di ba? By using the equation. Pero, ipapakita natin dito yung trial and error kung paano gagawin. So, 3 years from now, the sum of their ages is 58. So, in 3 years from now, si Benny ay magiging 15 plus 3. 3 years from now, si Benny ay 18 years old. Tama po ba? Tapos, si Lily ay 19 plus 3, that is 22, right? So, 3 years from now, ito na yung age nila. So, dapat total ay 58. So, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So, 40 lang yung total. So, it means na 15 is wrong. So, hindi letter A yung sagot. So, alam natin na 24. So, let's have 24. So, kung tama ba yung sagot natin kanina na 24 by using the equation. So, let's use 24 in trial and error. So, 24. So, kung 24 si Benny this year, ibig sabihin si Lily ay 24 plus 4, 28 si Lily. So, 3 years from now, si Benny ay 20, 24 plus 3, 27 na si Benny. Si Lily ay 28 plus 3, 31. So 31 si 31 si Lily 3 years from now. So i-add mo itong dalawa. So 3 years from now, the sum of their ages is 58. So i-add mo itong dalawa kung 58 ba. So 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 58. So coincide sa ating problem. So ibig sabihin, 24 is the correct answer. So yan po yung trial and error. So no need mo na pong mag-equation. Pero yun nga lang, yung disadvantage ng trial and error, kailangan mo subukan yung mga numbers kung saan mo makukuha yung tamang sagot. Yung equation form yung mas madali siya at mas mabilis na alam mo kaagad yung exact answer. Kaya mas okay din na i-practice nyo ng maigi yung pag-solve by equation. So please follow for more videos regarding civil service exam. Tapos meron din po tayong ang dami po nating videos regarding civil service information, lalong-lalo na po kung paano mag-online appointment, yung mga ganon, kung ano yung mga dapat suotin sa pagdating ng exam, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. So sobrang dami po nating videos na ganyan sa ating Facebook at YouTube channel. So please follow and subscribe for more civil service exam reviews. So kung palagay ninyo ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to at baka gusto niyo naman po mag-donate sa atin ng super thanks. So just click the super thanks button below this video. Thank you for watching.